Good evening,
Good evening.
hi ladies. Thank you for participating tonight in my speech, which is entitled Health is Wealth. The goal of my speech is to inform you about health insurance, health care, and Affordable Care Act. I'm astonished about this particular topic because, according to, I stumbled into a quote from a Dalai Lama, and someone asked the Dalai Lama, what surprises him most about human beings? And the answer is health. Because he said that man sacrifices money to recuperate his health, and then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present. The result being, he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as if he is never going to die, and then he dies having never really lived. I thought this is a very interesting quote because a lot of us really work hard, and then in the end we forget about staying healthy, and that way we sacrifice our health, and the same money that we actually save we actually use to, you know, to for our health anyways. So um, I became interested about health care in general, because when I was visiting my doctor one day, there was a lot of terms in health insurance that I don't really understand. So it's like, I don't know if you encountered the word premiums, co-insurance, co-payments, deductible. Those are like words like benefits and stuff like that that I don't really understand. But I know I have to get a health insurance because it's a need, right? I mean, I'm sure you can relate to that. And the thing is, the challenge with that is I felt like if when I'm working, my company doesn't really support me with that, or the government doesn't really help me with that because it's so much. It costs so much to get yourself covered, but it is necessary to be healthy. It's our way to go to the doctor, visit the doctor, and all that. And one of the things that I've learned when I was in this program, I'm into health information management program right now, in my senior, is that um, there's a part section of that in the healthcare that actually I wanted to learn so much about health insurances. So what I did is I did some research. I talked to my professors, and I've done um, I've done my best to actually get information about what it means to be insured, what is healthcare, and what does our government do. So I don't know if you are familiar with how Affordable Care Act. Affordable Care Act is actually a law that is under Obamacare, and this is what we call now Obamacare. And what is Obamacare? It's actually helping people so that it lessens the cost for you to get health coverage. So how important it is to us. Maybe now you're young and healthy, you don't really need it, but on a lot of people, you still have to do your annual checkups. So it costs a lot. Don't you agree with me that when you have health insurance, you get simple um, problems, you have to go to the doctor, you pay this much. And a lot of us don't really understand what are we paying for. Like we pay this amount every month, X amount of money, and then we end up not getting covered for anything. Like I know we pay $20 a month. But deductible premiums and stuff like that are actually just part of a health insurance. And by that, I hope um, the key to actually achieving that is for you to educate yourself about health insurances. And I'd like to thank you for listening a small part of this topic. Um, and my goal is that I hope I was able to at least make you understand what healthcare needs. Thank you for your
Thank you.
participation.